2016 Maserati Quattroporte S oil change. First thing is, oil filter is right there. And you will need, well, I have a 27, so I'll use a 27 with an extension to reach that. But firstly, you would want to jack the car up securely. This particular car has the nub right there, and then I have another jack on the other side, and I will put a jack stand underneath as well to secure so the car does not fall while I'm doing the work. Okay, the next thing was getting the plastic protector off under the car. There's the oil pan right there. And then the drain bolt right there. So the bottom pan, we had 4 T30 screws, 9 10mm, and then 4 Phillips flathead. So the T30, those screws go up in the front, and then the 10mm go in these random holes here, and then the Phillips go here. And this is front to back. So this would go on the car right under when I'm done. So the next thing is to get the drain pan and drain the oil. Okay, the oil is draining to the pan, and you will need a 10 Allen wrench for this particular oil drain bolt. While the oil is draining, I will change the filter. Again, I have a 27 to fit the top of the oil filter hat. All right, the oil filter housing is removed. We have that right here. Okay, so this is the housing. Old filter. I'll put the new filter in with the gasket, and then we'll put it back in the car. All right, I have the new oil filter with the new gasket in the oil filter house. Well, the top cap, and I will put it back in the car. Okay, oil filter is in the car. Again, this is a 27 that is tightening the oil filter top on this particular car. Once that's tight, you can take that off. Okay, the oil cap is on. I use a 27 to tighten it up. Now I'm about to get some brake cleaner and clean up the immediate area, the hoses, etc., before I put the oil pan bolt back in. Oil pan bolt is all cleaned up. And again, this is a 10mm Allen wrench to get that loose and to tighten it up. This is it. And then I'll put it back on the oil pan. Okay, the oil pan bolt is tight. What I'll do now is take some brake cleaner and just clean up this little area here. And then we'll start putting the plastic undergarments back on. Okay, we will install this plastic undergarment back to the car. 4 T30 screws in the front, 9 10mm, and then 4 Phillips, front to back. Okay, we have the undergarment for the car back in place. So at this point, I will proceed to take the jack stand and the jacks off of the car and level it out. And we can put the oil in. All right, this car takes 8.5 to 9 quarts of oil. Have the 5W40 here, so I will go ahead and put the oil in the car and check the level when we're done. The dipstick is right there. Okay, oil is in the car. I already checked the levels, but it's at its max. Probably couldn't really see it there, but it took about 8.5 quarts of oil, and the oil change is almost complete. Okay, the final step of this oil change is resetting the routine maintenance light, and I will be doing that using this tool right here. Click on the next video to see that process. 2016 Maserati Quattroporte S oil change.